What's up? Welcome back to my channel, the number one place for entrepreneurs and business owners. In today's video, you're gonna discover the 3 super duper easy tips in order for you to boost your visibility of your posts. Ever since Facebook changes its algorithm, your posts are now less seen and less views. Facebook algorithm means it limits and controls what posts you see on your newsfeed and in what order you see them and how often do you see all these posts. So in order to improve and combat with the algorithm that Facebook has changed, this is what this video is all about, and let's dive right into it. Is do not post any link. So do not put any sort of links under the caption. What you want to do is to move the link down the comment. An example is here is what I've done here. You can see that I didn't put any sort of links under my caption and instead I put it down in the comment section down below. The reason why Facebook shows less people if you are putting the link on the comment captions up above is because Facebook doesn't like it if you are driving people off their platform. It's just as simple as that. So I want you to imagine that if you are going to like a party, a housewarming, but you just go there and be like, hey, I'm gonna have another housewarming. I'm gonna take all your audience away to my house. And people do not like it. They feel very offended and they have invited you and you're not being nice right there. So Facebook doesn't like it if you do that because Facebook wants people to stay in their platform. Every social media platform wants their users to stay in their own platform. So please do not move it there. Instead, put it in the comment section down below. This case is an exception if you are driving traffic through Facebook ads. So what I was discussing was organic way where you're just posting it, you're not running sorts of ads. But if you are running ads to a specific post, then you don't have to do anything like this. You can remain the link on the caption itself because that's totally fine if you are running an ad. But if you are not, then move the link to the comment section down below. The second tip is you can actually tag others. So if you are posting something on your Facebook page in general is a pay-to-play platform. So if you're posting something on your profile, obviously your view will be slightly more compared to page because page is honestly just a pay-to-play. If you do not invest into Facebook ads, Facebook just doesn't really show a lot of your post on your Facebook page to more people. So in order for you to actually increase your visibility, I would totally recommend you tag people so you can tag others on your post as well. So here is an example where I tag another party. So not only my audience are seeing that specific post, but that person that I tag, their audience are going to see that post as well. So it doesn't mean that they have to follow me. It doesn't matter if they don't follow your brand, they don't follow your page, but as long as you are tagging that person, their audience are going to see it. But by all means that if you're doing that, please be aware that your posts are actually public because if you're showing it to only friends, like your friends can see it only, then their party can't see it as well. So be sure that it's public so more people can see it, more people can share it. But if you're in a business, you want more people to see it and your post has to be public. If you're only sharing with friends and friends are not really your target audience, then it doesn't serve any purpose if you're showing it to more friends. The third tip that I'm going to move on to is actually narrow down your audience. So narrow down your audience for your specific post. A common beginner thing that a lot of people know when you're using Facebook on the profile itself is you can show it to friends. A lot of you will know that you can show it to friends, you can show it to public, you can show it to friends of friends or only me. These are the common things that people use again and again, but I'm going to show you another trick that you can do. I'm going to show you a video later on, but right before that, you can actually group all your targeted audience into one list. So let's say you can be joining group and all the groups inside, let's say today you want to be targeting business owners. So you can be joining groups full of business owners and then you put every single one of them. They become your friends, so they have to be your friend first. You have to be sending friend requests. They have to accept your friend request first. And after that, you group them under a list. And here's a video I'm gonna show you later on. So you can see that by default, my post is actually on public. So when I click onto the button where it says public, you will see all sorts of narrow down audiences for that specific post. But what I want to do is to click on see more, and now you can see that I can actually pick business owner under K. So you can see right there, business owner and Katie is something that I've typed in. So these are the business owners that I want to target, and I want to only show the post to that group of specific audience because they are my target audience. And I don't want to show it to my friends, to anyone else, but only that specific target audience. So that's what you can do in order to boost more visibility for your post for your target audience. I mean, you're in a business today because you want to be showing your post to your target audience, but not the non-target audience. So this is a great way to do so in order for you to not flood your post under countless sea of your friends and all these things. So that is something, one of the tips that you can do. I'm going to show you as well on how you can do it for your page. So this is a very little known trick that people would know of for Facebook page. Facebook page in by default is definitely public, but what you can do is to select a custom audience. You can narrow down for your Facebook post on your Facebook page to a specific audience. I'm going to show you a video on how to do that.
So basically what you want to do right now is to click on this create post and change this thing that is public right here to restricted audience. So usually it's public, so for page it's always on this as a default. What you want to be doing is to click on this restricted audience, so only certain people on Facebook can see it. After that, you can see that the age is everyone. You can be changing it, so you want to be clicking like 25 plus, 21 plus. It really depends, but obviously it's kind of different from Facebook ads whereby you can't actually select a range that you want. You can pre-type it. It's everything is set. You can either pick 15 plus, 18 plus, 21 plus, 25 plus. So I can just click on one, and then location depends on where you are based. Let's say you're a real estate agent targeting on that certain area. That's where you can change the locations. So it really depends on what kind of location you can put right there. After that, you can just click save. And then it's done. It's going to be restricted audience right now.
I hope that the 3 tips I shared with you has been helpful. Go on and implement. They are super duper easy and straightforward. I do a lot more videos about social media marketing, so be sure to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.